But did you know SEAMOSS can be used as a hair gel? Now you know. Hey loves, this video is all about sea moss. The Irish sea moss is not moss at all. It is in fact seaweed that grows along the rocky coastlines of the Atlantic Ocean. It is especially found in Ireland, where it has a long history in Irish folklore as a good luck charm. This seaweed contains 15 of the 18 essential elements that make up the human body, or 92 of the 102 minerals that make up the human body. This includes, but is not limited to, great amounts of calcium, iodine, sulfur, potassium, as well as vitamins A, D, E, F, and K. This is why this most amazing seaweed is thought to be able to cure everything from bladder disorders, bronchitis, halitosis, intestinal disorders, and glandular problems to swollen joints. One of the reasons SEAMOSS has been touted as a superfood recently is that it's a vegan, gluten-free source of many nutrients. Now that we know how great SEAMOSS is, not only can it be used internally, but we're going to explore what it can do to our hair as a hair gel. So to make the SEAMOSS gel, we're going to use 1 cup of SEAMOSS, and we're going to add some water, some spring or distilled water. We're cleaning the SEAMOSS now because we want to get rid of all of the excess sand and any little dirt granules that may be in it. So I'm going to wash it about 3 or 2 times. And as you can see there, I just took out a piece of debris. And yeah, so we just have to ensure that we clean this SEAMOSS very carefully and thoroughly. The water got very cloudy right here. Can literally see the difference already. So I washed the SEAMOSS once more and rinsed it. Then I added enough water to cover the SEAMOSS. Then I set it aside for 8 hours. So this has been soaking for 8 hours, and this is what it looks like. I added more water, so I ain't gone front. My hands are clean, and it feels very jelly. Oh my god. It feels jelly. This is a thick piece. So I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna drain this water, then add it to our old pot I will be using. To the pot I added 1 cup of water. This pot is thin, so hopefully it melts out really quickly, or disintegrate rather. You have some big chunks of membrane in it, so maybe I blend it out if it don't melt out, boil out properly. But this is what it looks like so far. I wish I had one of those handheld, you know, the little mixer that you can just, like when you're making cream of pumpkin soup, for example, you just blend it out in the thing instead of pouring it into the blender. One of those things would come in really handy. The SEAMOSS gel was cool and everything, I put it in the fridge, and this is the consistency. Like, it's so hard, not hard, but like hard gel type. Because look, you see, this is the consistency that it has. It's like a hard jam. Yeah, so it's easy to break through. So guys, this gel has a lot of different uses. It can be used on your face. You can add some couple spoons and add to your smoothie. It has a lot of different benefits. So because I need it for my hair now, I'm gonna use about 2 or 3 of the spoonfuls that I just showed you and blend it with some water, and then add some oil, some of my oil blend to it. So let me show you guys what's up. Okay, so guys, don't watch the madness. My hair was washed off camera. I washed it, I washed it with shampoo and conditioner, and now the gel is ready. SEAMOSS gel. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna start with a portion at the front. Repeat the same process to this chunk of hair at the front. I like using my hand to just comb through it like that. I was watching a girl's video and she said she would let her gel sit for a while and then get far over time, but I never had the time for that, so. Hope I'm gonna flop myself. I did this half already. The twists look juicy, guys. What do you think? Looks juicy to me. Alright, let me do the other half and forward. Guys, look at my hands. Look at that. So I'm gonna go bye bye bye, and in the morning I'll show you guys. It feels so good, like it definitely feel like sleep, you know. Definitely trying this again. I have a little left over a little bit, just a little bit. The next day, before we start on twisting, I have to properly grease my hands. I'm just gonna put some of my oil blends on my hands and rub it all over, and then I pull up the twists. This will help to reduce any unnecessary frizzing that may take place. This one is chunky. The SEAMOSS gel really worked. I think it really worked. First of all, my hair feels, it doesn't feel like super crunchy like the Eco or even the flaxseed gel, but my hair feels super crunchy. It does have a hole though, don't get me wrong, but it's not super crunchy. I'm not seeing any flakes so far. The curls look sprucey and all of that. I just saw a flake. Guys, it's a twist out, so it will be a little unruly, but I think I can work with it. Okay guys, so in conclusion, the SEAMOSS gel is a go. Definitely. As you can see, I have curl definition. It does have a little flake, but I don't know what's happening with that. I use the, you guys saw what I used, the shampoo and the conditioner. I make sure I not even put in an ounce of leave-in, because I say it's just the gel, and in the gel I added oils to it, my same homemade oil mixture that I always use. So I added that to it and I just used the gel and I dried it for a bit. I went to bed and this morning this is what we have right here. Maybe next time I wear it as like a wash and go to test it out, but I think I prefer it over the flaxseed gel for sure. The flaxseed gel gives me way more flakes for sure. So if you guys didn't know about the SEAMOSS gel, well, most Jamaicans know about SEAMOSS, but did you know that it can be used as a hair gel? Now you know. In the future I'll be doing other videos about SEAMOSS and its other benefits. Probably do one about my face, one about my digestion, and what other benefits SEAMOSS has. A whole lot. If you've stayed with me until the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, more than likely do follow-up SEAMOSS videos if you guys are interested. So let me know in the comment section down below. And this is what my hair looks like. Let me turn around slowly.